Buenas tardes, everyone. This is Tyson with Ricardo Amigo Real Estate. We're out today in the community of Las Playitas, which is just north of Todos Santos, not too far away from the main downtown area of Todos Santos. We're here at a brand new listing, Rancho Venados. Rancho Venados, extremely unique. We've got organic mango orchard on the eastern portion. The western portion has some old growth Cardon forests. It's really spectacular. Let's go check it out. So if you've been in the market for a larger parcel of land close to the ocean with services, please contact me, Tyson at Ricardo Amigo Real Estate.